It was a very difficult experience for me because on our first kayak trip, our kayak had a hole, unfortunately, and we began to take a lot of water in. So I repaired the hole. I have a video with that. But for this time, I guess I was a bit nervous, knowing that what happened the last time. But we made it to Rat Islet. I overcame my nervousness, and hopefully we'll have a wonderful time, a safe time, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, please. It helps me know what you guys like.